Hi, guys. Today I want to talk a little bit about what veterans need to know about buying a home in light of the National Association of Realtors settlement agreement regarding transparency and compensation to listing agents and buying agents. A question we have is, am I allowed to pay for a real estate agent under VA rules? So the answer is yes. On August 10th, 2024, the VA enacted a temporary policy allowing buyers with the VA home loans to pay for the real estate professional representation. NAR advocated extensively for this, so that way VA buyers would not be at a disadvantage and would still be able to have representation from a realtor. Next, why is the policy only temporary? Will it be made permanent? Well, the VA will decide if it's going to make a permanent change a little bit later on. NAR is obviously advocating for this policy to become permanent through continued engagement with the lawmakers and the VA. Another question some veterans have is, why am I being asked to sign a written agreement? This is, kind of pretty straightforward. It's written buyer agreements lay out the services that your realtor will provide to you and what they will be paid for those services. So the practice changes require written agreements to many real estate professionals nationwide. We're all doing it. It may differ from one state to the next, but it's pretty consistent that changes are being enacted. So just bear in mind, you as the veteran, as the home buyer, you're in the driver's seat with these agreements, which are completely negotiable. Caveat, you should not sign anything that includes terms that you do not agree with the agent on and the buyer does not understand. So if there's something you're not clear about, ask the agent, or you could even get some legal advice. Next, how does my buyer's agent get paid? Well, this has a couple of different answers. It's determined in your written buyer's agreement. Methods of paying a buyer's agent typically include, but are not limited to, the seller or the listing broker offering a compensation to the buyer's agent, the buyer requesting that the seller pay the buyer's agent as part of the purchase offer, or the buyer paying the agent directly out of pocket. So those are some of the major questions that have needed to be answered. Now, what does NAR done to promote access to financing for veterans? Well, we have been strong supporter of the VA home loan program for decades, and we've helped over 24 million people buy homes. NAR continues to advocate for the VA to offer flexible and competitive loan products, working with Congress to ensure that the descendants of certain veterans may use unused home loan benefits. And we also advocate for allowing the veteran to sell their home to a buyer who can assume the existing interest rate, because VA home loans are usually at very good interest rates. If you have a question, comment, DM below, or text or voice call at 401-409-5030. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.